James from Atascocita has a question about a cleanout.
He is assuming that these are cleanouts. And he wants to know, right? That's what they are.
No, I mean, it looks like it, yeah.
Okay, so he wants to know, would it do any harm for him periodically to snake them to prevent drain clogs?
I don't think do any harm, but you're wasting your time. I bet you if you never did it at all, you would never have to do it unless, a squirrel got in it or something. But no.
A squirrel in your drain. That is an ambitious squirrel.
Yes. Hey. If you do have a clog, you call Abacus or somebody, or you do it yourself, and that's what they're there for, to snake out. But no, don't snake it regularly. There's no preventative on that. No.
It could be a clinically depressed squirrel. He just wanted to end it.
Or he has a bladder infection.
No. So he crawled down the pipe?
Yeah, to relieve himself.
Poor thing. Right. Forgot where he stored his nuts. Maybe they're down here. Okay.
Whatever.
You want to write to a couple nuts? Send us your questions. We'll answer your home improvement questions right here, as you can see in these videos. And you want to see a whole bunch more? Subscribe to our channel.